In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can customize right-click menu in Windows 10 and 11. So let's dive right in. Open up your favorite browser and search for Shell EXView and it will open up this website. You have to open it and simply scroll down. Here you will find this download Shell XView in zip file. Click on that and it will start downloading here. After downloading, here it is. Right click on that and extract it. After extracting, open it and double click on this Shell XView file. It will open up like this. Click on these options and select hide all Microsoft extensions. Then it will show you the sum of files. Right click on this WinRAR file and click here disable selected items. Click yes and again click on this WinRAR that's showing at last and again click here disable selected items. Click yes and from options if you click on that you will find here this restart explorer. Click yes and it will refresh your explorer and then again right click on this WinRAR and enable it again. Yes, click again on this option and click here restart explorer. Click yes and that's it. So that's how you can customize the right click menu in Windows in just few easy steps.